Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya BT-01 chassis kit with the Supra body. And today we're going to be working on the front and rear body mounts, the steering rod, and of course we're going to mount everything onto the chassis. So let's get started. There's a lot of parts, and I'll just start here on A6. Okay, I think we can get started. Let's go ahead and get the turnbuckles out of the way. You can use this tool right there along with this. I'm going to use my shock pliers, and let's start with B7 and these rods. Okay. And since they're turnbuckles, one side, I don't know if you can see that or not. See, one side is smooth right there, and the other side is threaded all the way. And one side is going to be righty-tighty, and the other side is going to be lefty-tighty. So this side, with the threads going all the way, is going to be righty-tighty, it looks like. Okay. And then the other side is going to be lefty-tighty. You can see that diagram there. And it wants us to be, it's this way. You can see the thread right there. And they want it about there. So this side is going to have to be a lot tighter. Let's take a look, see how close we are. I need a little bit more. I think that's pretty close, and we need this ball to go this way. So you can see ball's facing away, and then here the cup is up. And so it's one is going to look like this, and let's build the other side. And this is the right one. I'm going to put that over there. I think this is the right side. Okay, let's build the second one. So again, the smooth side is right there. And so this side is going to be righty-tighty. I think I have it pretty close. And I need one cup to be this way. Then I need this side to be up. So it's going to look like that. Yeah, I think that's pretty close. So I'm going to use that. Let's start right here by grabbing these two pieces, and let me just make sure I have them correct. So I believe it's going to go like this, and we need 4 of these step screws. They're a little bit different. They are shorter. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's different from the ones that we used previously, and these are a little bit shiny. So let's grab the bearing that I'm using. I'm going to be putting it here. And also here, like that. We put the ball studs on. Okay, there's the other one, and there's ball studs on there as well. So let me grab this. I think this is symmetrical on both sides. Yep, looks like it. So let me put one right here. There you go. All right, so we got that piece. And we have these two pieces. We got the bearings on. And let's go ahead and put the step screws in. And the step screw is going to go into this hole right here. Down onto that. You should put some grease. I'm going to do that a little bit later, so it should look like this when you're done. Okay. And then we're also going to build this piece right here. It's not this. That's the right piece. So let's make sure we have the orientation correct. So it looks like I have the left one, so these need to be swapped. Okay, and I have this one looking down on it like this. So I hope that's correct. So that is going to sit like that. And the screw is going to come from top. Okay, now we're going to combine the two. We're going to need this piece right here, like this. And we need to put this here. And it's going to go up here. So let me put a bearing there and a bearing here. And these two holes are going to go here and there, like that. Let me double check I have that correct. Let's see. I believe we do. Okay. I always like to put on the grease as late as possible because it gets messy. I cleaned it up a little bit, and let me just double check I have it correct. And then this piece will go on top right here. This needs to go all the way through. Well, let's see if I can yank it up with the screw. And I'm going to slowly screw that together. Okay, looks like I need to put the ball ends here. So this is for the left side. I think it's this one. Okay. And then this, I think is going to be the same as that. Okay. Like that. And just make sure everything still works. All right, let's go down to this piece right here. We're going to learn from our mistakes. So we need to grab this, which is this one right here. And we need to put those things on again. Let's look at the profiles. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so those are on, and then we're going to drop it onto this again, like that. And we need to put two ball ends on that side. Okay, And we need to put this down right here and connect it with 2 more screws. Okay, so it looks like that is it. We do need to build the 2 turnbuckles. I believe they're a little bit different. So this is the right side. Again, the smooth side is there. That's that. Let's put this together, and this is going to be righty-tighty. Okay, and this side is going to be lefty-tighty. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep. Okay, so that needs to be facing away. This one needs to be down. So I think I have it. So this is the right side, and that's the right side. Kind of got it backwards. All right, so let's see. This one, same thing. The smooth side's right there. That is pretty good. And I need this one to be facing down. So like that. There we go. So this is down, this is away, and this is going to be left, and it's going to be over here. And like this, it's going to be the smooth side is going to be closer to the ball stud, like that, and the smooth side is going to be away from the ball stud on this side. And I think we're done with that one. Okay, so we got the front, we got the back. Let's go ahead and do this one. That's going to be in bag C. It's going to be this. This is going to be righty-tighty on both sides. It's not a turnbuckle. All right, and they both need to be facing that direction. I am really, really close. I think I'm just going to leave it. I got it almost right on. All right, so I forgot to put that ball stud on the servo last time. Okay. Let me put that on here right now first before I forget. This is the front, which should be this one right here, and it should be this way. So these 2 holes are going to match up there. If you do it right, it kind of fits in perfectly. All right, and we're going to need, I'm going to guess MA3. Yep. Okay, make sure I have everything correct before I nail it down. Okay, so it's just 2 screws. I need to snap these on right here. Makes sense. This on right here. Also makes sense. Now I can tighten these. And then let's go ahead and put the rod. The rod goes on to this one, to that. I hope. Looks like I got some tuning to do. Let's see, steering trim. Okay. I hear something clicking here. I think maybe this screw needs to be tightened a little bit. Oh, this is tight. As tight as it gets. Yeah, I don't hear it anymore, so that's good. Let's go to the other side, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's gonna be like this. See, those two cups will go on here. Okay, so it's gonna go like that. Let me make sure I can snap this on before I tighten the screws. Let's snap this on. Okay, I think that is it. Yeah, I think that is it. I got the battery in there already. So I've tested the servo already, the steering. The only last step here is for the antenna rod, antenna tube, and I don't use that because I have it tucked in. So I'm not going to use that. So I think we're done with the chassis finally. We're completely done. We know that the wheels spin, we saw it, and we know the steering works, but let's just check it out one more time. All right. It is reversed, so let me see. Okay, and then it's going backwards. I don't know if you saw that. Now it's going forward. Okay. Awesome. So I think we're done. So we're finally done building the Tamiya BT-01 chassis kit. And in the next video, we're going to be building the body, of course. I already have everything painted. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I will show you how to assemble it with the mirrors and the spoiler and everything. So if you're building along and this video will help you, click that like button. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.